Welcome, champions on a quest for glory. In 2024, epic PC gaming adventures are more accessible than ever. We're unveiling the top 5 budget gaming PCs that deliver smooth frame rates and stunning visuals without breaking the bank. Ready to conquer digital landscapes without sacrificing your rent? Let's dive in. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. First on my list is the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, the best budget gaming PC for most people. It features a sleek design with a transparent side panel and a sturdy metal front. The back offers plenty of ports, including USB 3.2 Type-A, Type-C, Ethernet, and audio jacks, along with expansion slots for additional hardware. Under the hood, it packs serious power with Intel's 12th generation processors, including an i9 with 8 cores and 16 threads. This CPU handles gaming, streaming, and demanding projects with ease. Paired with up to NVIDIA's latest 30 series GPUs, it delivers impressive visuals with ray tracing and AI capabilities. The standout feature of the Legion Tower 5i is its dual-channel cooling system, ensuring components stay cool during long gaming sessions. Lenovo has also included customizable RGB lighting. For storage, you have options for multiple NVMe SSDs and a hard drive. The unit I have includes two 1TB NVMe SSDs in a RAID 0 setup for super fast speeds and a spacious 2TB hard drive. Pre-installed with Windows 10, the Legion Tower 5i also comes with useful gaming software, including a game optimizer. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a well-designed, high-performance gaming PC suitable for gamers and creative professionals alike. Next on my list is the HP Omen 25L, an affordable yet high-performance gaming rig with a sleek matte black or white design. It features an Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, an NVIDIA GTX 3050 graphics card, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 512GB SSD, ensuring smooth gameplay and quick responsiveness. With excellent cable management and ample connectivity options including multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Wi-Fi 6, the Omen 25L delivers high-end gaming performance at a budget-friendly price. The Acer Predator Orion 3000. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is the best overall budget gaming PC, featuring a sleek all-black case with RGB accents and a compact design. It packs a powerful punch with a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB DDR4 memory, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, allowing for smooth gameplay at high settings. It includes ample ports such as USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1, and HDMI, plus it comes with Windows 10 pre-installed. With its powerful performance and stylish design, the Predator Orion 3000 offers excellent value for gamers. Acer Nitro 50. Next on the list is the Acer Nitro 50, my choice for the best budget gaming PC for the money. Designed for gamers on a budget, it features a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 512GB NVMe SSD. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU handles 1080p gaming at medium to high settings, allowing smooth gameplay for titles like Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, and Apex Legends. The compact and stylish tower has a sleek black plastic front with a red LED lighting strip and a matte black finish. It offers good ventilation to prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. Connectivity options include USB 3.2 Type-A and Type-C ports, Ethernet, HDMI, and built-in Wi-Fi. Overall, the Acer Nitro 50 provides excellent value, delivering solid performance for 1080p gaming without breaking the bank. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. Last but certainly not least is the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop, my choice for the best compact budget gaming PC. Its sleek, compact design with front LED lights makes it both stylish and easy to move. Under the hood, it features an AMD Ryzen 3 processor, sufficient for most games including Fortnite and Call of Duty, and an AMD Radeon RX 5500 graphics card for solid performance and visuals. While it may not match the high-end options on this list, it offers a more affordable alternative with good performance. Storage-wise, it includes a 512GB SSD for fast load times. It also boasts a good selection of ports, including USB 3.0, USB-C, and HDMI, plus a built-in Wi-Fi card for easy internet connectivity. Overall, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop offers great performance, ample storage, and a sleek design at an affordable price, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious gamers. Thank you for watching our video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.